Alright, so final day for this motor. Everything is installed. We put the new shot block heads. The internal cams are old. Timing is new. So everything is on point right now, and we're going to put the front cover. It comes with a oil pump. That thing, always we change it before we're gonna put it back, because that thing makes a big difference when you have a brand new motor, put the brand new pump. So everything is done. This is gonna be wrapped up maybe in another 2 hours. So the cover is left. Then we're gonna put that beautiful motor in this beautiful 2016 BRZ right here. So this car right now sits with no engine, just to let you know. So we have a lot of cars outside either with no engine. So this is gonna be done probably end of today, and we'll give you another glimpse once it's gonna be ready. We'll test drive it and make sure the engine will be run perfect before we hand over to our customers. That's how the customer believe us. If you guys do have any of the Subarus and you want rebuild looks like the way I just show you, give us a call, book your appointment. On to the next car. Alright, so you see this CLA right behind me. It's so low right here. The reason is the tire on this side is flat. Customer, they hit some real hard on the porthole, and the rim is cracked too on the other side. Even the subframe is damaged. I don't know what exactly happened to this car. So this car is going under an insurance claim right now, and they just want to fix everything. We place an order for the subframe. These cars, the subframe usually are on the back order. We placed order last week. I don't know when they're going to be here, probably this week or next. And also, this car need a new fuel pump, the sending unit from the tank. Right now, the gauge on this car is not working, so we need to fix that too before we're going to proceed on anything else on this car. So if you guys do have any of the problems with the fuel sending units, you can give us a call. We'll happy to help you out. On to the next car. Alright guys, so we're not just working on the importers, we do work on the domestic. We got this 2010 F-150, and this one got a call from yesterday from our customer. They advised us there's a smoke coming out from the front right side. We warned them, do not drive it, let it cool down first for an hour or so, as the weather was a little bit hot yesterday. So they waited, they cool it down, and they bring it to a shop. Guess what happened? They saved their pads, they saved their rotors, which combined cost at least $150, because this is a big rotor on this one. So for now, we're just going to put the caliper on this one. Brake line, we're going to attach it. That's what they save, almost $150. Just they listen to us. Sometime people keep on driving it even after the smoke, so end up having rotor, pad, caliper, everything got changed, which costs you a separate bill. So this customer save it. If you guys do hear any of the heating sound, squeaking sound, or smoking come up from any of your axle, do not drive it. Let it cool down for at least half an hour to drive it further to get to your point. And try to make it to any of the professional hands so they can fix it up like we did it. So now this customer gonna be safe on the road back again. If you guys do have the same problem, give us a call. On to the next one. So we've got a couple of rebuilds right here. The very first, that's 2007. It's a Rabbit, rear car, 2.5 liter. It's a 5-cylinder engine from Volvo, basically. So this thing is here for a swap. Last time this car came in, it was insane coolant leak. We advised the customer, they ignore it, and end up the blown engine right now. So it got towed here. This is the one job. And the second one, this thing is in process right now. A4 2-liter TFSI, and this one is here with a common problem with the Honda from 2016 to 2020. High pressure fuel pump on this one is failed, so that's another job right here. All right, so we got the second car with a Honda in 2026 with the same problem, high pressure pump. So that's the injector pump, basically we call it. So this car, that's a Honda Accord 2016, came up here with a high pressure fuel pump intermediately failed. And we always put the OEM part on this one. And this is not the first one, this is the second one. The first one was a manufacturer fault. It was keep on shutting down after 30 minutes. So we got the brand new part from Honda. That's the second part replacement in one day. They shipped another one. So it's right here. Under Honda, there's one more Honda. So if you guys do have any of the Hondas and you got some bad shakes and your technician failed to diag, whether it's a ignition coil, spark plug, and they end up saying like, we don't know what's happening, you can call us or book your appointment with America Auto. We'll make sure we will put the right part. And here we go. So the magic comes through here. We got this part wrapped up in a weird packaging right here. I never see. And this is broken. I don't know why they break it, but somebody did it. So that is the fuel pump on this one. It's brand new, straight from Japan. So that's how it looks like. You got multiple similar pumps online. Do not go with that. It's a similar price. It's $1,000 plus taxes, Canadian. So it works with the Honda Accords, CRVs, anything with the 2.4 liters. So if you guys do want the pump replacement, we have an inventory. Give us a call, book your appointment. On to the next car. All right, so this week all goes with the safety things. A couple of safeties we did it, and some of the buyers, some of the sellers, and other people. Like this is a 2025 Elantra, and look at this screen. The best thing I just love about this car is this screen. It's like a G-Wagon, and the interior is so good. So we just finalized the safety on this thing. And if you guys do have any of the safeties you're looking for, book your appointment. We don't do it right away because we are not a kind of safety shop doing here. That's a basic thing. We mostly do the rebuilds. Right now, we are packed up with the all rebuilds. So if you want a safety, give us a call. We'll definitely going to help you out with that. You're not going to miss it, but there is no first come, first serve on the safety either. If you want the safety, give us a call. We're happy to help you out. And thank you for watching our videos. There are multiple rebuilds on the way, exclusive content. Subscribe, press the bell icon. Thank you.